Hi, I'm David from Emigh Ace Hardware, and recently California's power grid operator has said that we do not have enough power for the summer. And since they came out and said that, we've been selling a number of products like batteries, fans, generators, and we have a few employees here today that are going to talk to you about that. First up is going to be Jet, talking to you about battery-powered fans.
Hi, I'm Jet here at Emigh Hardware, and I don't like being hot when the power goes out, so I like a battery-powered fan. This one right here, you can take on your African safari. Swear, it works amazingly. Keep your tent cool, keep you cool, keep the bugs away. For something smaller, a little more on the go, get the Honeywell Turbo Fan. 2 AA batteries, you're good to go, and nice and cool. Didn't have to power a small room. The Treva 10-inch fan takes 60 batteries and definitely enough to cool the whole room. Nice flowing breeze at nighttime, white noise. I sleep okay with it. So this summer, if your power happens to go out, we have a wide variety of fans to meet your personal needs, even in your house.
So next up we have Ethan, and he'll be speaking about generators.
Hi, my name is Ethan from Emigh Hardware, and I'm here to tell you about the Ego generator. So this is a product that they came out with not too long ago. It takes 4 of their Ego batteries, which are the universal 56 volt. It's going to be real nice for in the summer months if your power happens to go out and it's real hot out. This thing can do indoor, outdoor power. It's got 3,000 watt maximum peak, and we got 2,000 watt continuous on it. We can plug in a fan. We can do little air conditioners. We can do your fridge if you want to keep your food from going bad. It'll work real nice in a pinch. It'll keep your power going. Keeps you cool, all right?
Next up we have Randy talking about flashlights and lanterns.
Hi, I'm Randy over here at Emigh Hardware, talking about flashlights and batteries, especially flashlights. We have a whole assortment of flashlights using all types of methods to charge them, both with batteries, rechargeable batteries, and then some that you can actually just plug into your computer or plug into your wall and have them ready when you go out. My suggestion is you stock up now, because when we lose power, whether it be because of a shutdown or because of a storm, that is not the time to go looking for batteries or flashlights, especially because they clear out in a matter of hours sometimes. So stop on by Emigh Hardware, grab a flashlight, an inexpensive one like this, or one that's going to last you a lifetime, and get ready for the storm or the power outage.
So besides of the fans and the generators that we've been talking about, Emigh has every size of battery, alkaline, rechargeable, and now's the time to come stock up, because you don't want to be going out when the rolling blackouts start, scrambling, looking for batteries. So come on in, we're ready to help you.